This is POCO X6 Pro, and today I'll show how you can hard reset the smartphone through the recovery mode. So to start, you will need to simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power keys just like that, and drag this toggle to the power off option and wait anywhere between 3 to 5 seconds for your smartphone to be switched off completely. Once the device is shut down, you will need to simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons. Hold them. Once you see the POCO logo, let your finger off the power button, but keep holding the volume up key. So hold it until you'll see the recovery menu. So here it is, the main menu or Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery. Use the volume buttons to navigate and power key to confirm. So here look for the wipe data options, navigate yourself on it, then tap the power key to confirm, then go for the wipe all data option, confirm once again. And now just wait for the hard or factory reset procedure to be finished. As you can see, it has been finished successfully. Now we can get back to the main menu, reboot the device, reboot the phone, and get back to its system or to its, well, in our particular case, we'll be greeted with the initial system setup interface or process, as you wish. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.